variety I look for. Water? Yeah. They call it pussy galore.
Son. First day, well, first full day in Vegas. Horse riding with a hangover. It's quite good. Can't beat this though. All mountains, blue skies. And red mountains too. Red Rock Canyon. Home of, well, Red Rock. It's so beautiful here. Brad wants to move to Vegas because of the casinos and the clubbing, which is good, but I like this. I love this. Oh well. It's a dream world. We all gotta wake up sometime. Fuck me, it's been riding for 2 hours. 2 hours of riding, my ass is killing me. Oh, it's alright, but getting sore. Alright. More later on.